Long distance information, give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party trying to get in touch with me. So it might leave a number, but I know who plays the call. My uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Help me information to get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who phoned me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on the ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. Help me information, more than that I cannot add. Only that I miss her and all the fun we had. But we were torn apart because her dad did not agree. Tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Last time I saw Marie, she was waving me goodbye. With hurry home drops on her cheeks that twinkled from her eyes. Marie is only 6 years old. Information, please. Try to put me through to her in Memphis, Tennessee. They got me with the hook, those big bass notes, thumbing in my chest, stuck in my throat, pulling me down like a rumble in the ground. Crows up from the depths, those big bass sounds. Johnny got a boom boom, Johnny got a bam. He got a big long body, a lonely neck. I swear it was a woman that he got in his grip. Big vibrations, yeah, just one glance. He's gonna make me round. He's gonna make me wanna, oh! Johnny got a boom boom, Johnny got a bam. He got a one-shot man, see what's in his hand. Got no joy, he's a big bad boy. He's gonna freak you out, he's gonna shriek out loud. He's got you in his hands, you're gonna make you wanna, oh! Johnny got a boom The man is tall, mean and good looking, and he's got me in his eye. When he looks at me, I go weak at the knee. He's got me going like no other guy, 'cause he's my big, fat, handsome man, yeah. He's got me in the palm of his hand. He's a devil divine. I'm so glad that he's mine, 'cause he's my big, fat, handsome man. Oh, the music he plays, the way he moves me and sways, rocks me to the core. When he sings to my ear, he make me shiver and leer, leave me wanting for more and more. 'Cause he's my big, fat, handsome man, yeah. He's got me in the palm of his hand. He's a devil divine. I'm so glad that he's mine, 'cause he's my big, fat, handsome man. With his rugged good looks, yeah, he got me hooked, got me where he wants me to be. With his arms so wide, he pulls me in by his side. He's the kind of guy that does it for me, 'cause he's my big, fat, handsome man, yeah. He's got me in the palm of his hand. He's a devil divine. I'm so glad that he's mine, 'cause he's my big, fat, handsome man. So glad that he's my big, bad, handsome man. Well, the girl can cook, she knows the way around the stove. Casserole. I scoop it up, eat it up, down my throat it goes. I said the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Oh, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook better than anyone I know. It happens every year around Thanksgiving time. She makes a real nice turkey or cherry pie. I scoop it up, eat it up, down my throat it goes. I said the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Well, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook better than anyone I know. Marcel. Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Oh, yeah, the girl can cook.
The girl can cook.
Well, the girl can cook better than anyone I know.
Just you wait and see.
Guitar picker, you ain't leaving without me.
Oh, you big mouthed woman.
You long-legged guitar picking man.
Oh, we can work this out. Oh, yes, ma'am, I think we can. Well, I stole the hope and diamond hoping I could shut your mouth.
Now how am I gonna wear it if I got to hide it out?
Oh, you big mouthed woman.
You long-legged guitar picking man.
Oh, we can work this out. Oh, yes, ma'am, I think we can. Ticket for a luxury liner cruise.
I got out in that ocean, looked around, and there was you.
Oh, you big mouthed woman.
You long-legged guitar picking man. Woo-hoo.
Oh, we can work this out. Oh, yes, ma'am, I think we can. Well, I bought a big long limousine,
but I don't want no car. I need my loving every day.
but you still what you are. You're just a big mouthed woman.
You're a long-legged guitar picking man.
Oh, we can work this out. Oh, yes, ma'am, I think we can. Well, I'm gonna start out walking. Just you wait and see.
Guitar picker, you ain't leaving without me.
Oh, you big mouthed woman.
You long-legged guitar picking man. But we can work this out.
Oh, yes, we can.
I hear a train a-coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. When I hear the whistle blowing, oh, down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, honey, always be a good girl, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry. I bet there's rich folks eating in those fancy dining cars. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I know my blues.